Hi guys, this is me Kong again with another video on trigonometry for class 10th. We are on the last leg of this particular chapter. We are done with the first 4 questions. There is the 5th question and the most important question of this chapter. So we will finish all the parts of this particular question. We have 10 odd questions in the question number 5, 10 odd parts. So we will do all those parts one by one, and we will try to solve them, and I'll make sure that you get used to these questions as well. So let's start with the first one. So this is question number 5, and if you don't know, I have already done few questions, that is question number 1 to question number 4, and the exercise is 8.4. So today we will start question number 5 of the exercise 8.4, and the part number is 1. So the part number, here it goes, it says cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Okay, so this is the question. We have left hand side and we have the right hand side as well. So we need to take either of the sides, and we need to make sure that the left hand side is equal to right hand side. So let's see what we can do here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take LHS. Taking LHS, I have cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. I know it for a fact that cosec theta is 1 upon sine theta. We have learned this in the first exercise. If you have not seen the video, please go to through the video as well. So this is cot, then here I can write cos theta upon sine theta. We have a whole square here. Now what next? What we can do, I can take the LCM here. I have the LCM as sine theta. Sine theta and sine theta, we have the denominator and the LCM same. So whatever is in the numerator, write that. And then we have again here cos theta. Again here we have denominator and LCM same. So whatever is in the numerator, write that. And we have a square here. Now what else we can do? Now I will take 1 minus cos theta and put a square, and then sine theta and put a square here as well, because this square belongs to the numerator and the denominator as well. So this is what I have done. So now let's move to the next one. This is 1 minus cos theta. So it means, all right, I'll write it one more time, 1 minus cos theta whole square. Here I have sine theta. So I can write this as sine theta square. I can write sine square theta, right? No problems. Now I'll write this one more time, 1 minus cos theta whole square, whole divided by sine square theta. If you remember, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. What do I have? I have sine square theta. If I keep sine square theta here, it will be 1 minus cos square theta. So instead of sine square theta, I can write 1 minus cos square theta here. So this is 1 minus cos square theta. Okay. If I put a square here also, it will not make much of a difference here, but it will help me a lot in the next step. So here, this is 1 minus cos theta square. I can write this as 1 minus cos theta multiplied by 1 minus cos theta. And what do I have here? It is 1 square minus cos square theta. So if I take this as A and this as B, this is A square minus B square. What does that become? It becomes A plus B into A minus B. A plus cos theta, that is 1 plus cos theta, and 1 minus cos theta. Right? So here I can take this 1 minus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta. Now what do I have? I have 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. We have the same thing here. So it means LHS is equal to RHS. Right? Very simple. Please make a note of it, and I'll just move to the next part. We have 9 more to go. So this was the first part of this particular question, that is question number 5, exercise 8.4, and this is the last exercise of this particular chapter. So let's move to part number 2. Now part number 2 says cos A upon 1 plus sin A. Then we have a plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A is equal to twice sec A. Okay. Now here also I will take LHS, taking LHS. I'll take the LCM. I have 1 plus sin A and I have cos A. So 1 plus sin A in the denominator, 1 plus sin A here also in the LCM. So this and this goes. Cos A into cos A becomes cos square A. Then cos A gone. We have 1 plus sin A. 1 plus sin A means 1 plus sin A whole square. Okay. Now this cos square A as it is. Now this is A plus B whole square, and I know it, A square plus B square plus 2AB. That's what I'm going to write here. This is A square plus B square plus 2, A is 1 anyways, that's okay, and B whole divided by 1 plus sin A, and then we have cos A. Now if I see here, this is cos square A, this is sin square A. I know this, and even you guys know, sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So that's what I'm going to write here. 1 plus twice sin A whole divided by 1 plus sin A, and then we have cos A. Right? Let me move to this side. Now this is 1 plus 1. Let me write one more step here. This is 2 plus 2 sin A, then 1 plus sin A, and then we have cos A. If I look here carefully, I can take 2 common here. So let me take 2 out. What do I have? I have 1 plus sin A, and in the bottom, in the denominator, what do I have? I have 1 plus sin A, then I have cos A. 1 plus sin A and 1 plus sin A gone. So what do I have? I have 2 multiplied by 1 upon cos A, and 2, 1 upon cos A, sec A. So that means LHS is equal to RHS. Right guys? Very simple. Please make a note of this as well, and I'll move to part number 3. These questions are very important guys, so please do practice these questions, because these questions you will see in your exams as well. So, and they carry a lot of marks. So just make sure that you practice these questions. So let me go to part number 3 here. Now the part number 3 says tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta. Now what do I have? I have plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. Is equal to 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. Tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta. Then I have cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta. Yes, that's the question. Again, let's take LHS. Let me change this to sine and cos. I know tan theta is sine theta upon cos theta. Then 1 minus cot theta is cos theta upon sine theta. Right? Then I have cot theta here. It is cos theta upon sine theta. And then I have tan, which is sine theta upon cos theta. Lovely. So now sine theta upon cos theta will be as it is. let's take the LCM. It is sine theta. Now sine theta multiplied by 1 is sine theta minus denominator and LCM same, so whatever is in the numerator, write that. Then positive sign, there's cos theta upon sine theta. Again taking LCM here, we have cos theta. So cos theta into 1 is cos theta minus sine theta. Clear, guys? So let's move this side. Now I have sine theta upon cos theta. That's what I'm writing here. Sine theta upon cos theta. Let us reciprocate this thing. It becomes sine theta upon sine theta minus cos theta. Then I have a positive sign. Then we have cos theta upon sine theta. Reciprocating here also, so we have cos theta, it goes up, then cos theta minus sine theta, cos theta minus sine theta. Clear, guys? Now sine theta multiplied by sine theta, it becomes sine square theta divided by cos theta sine theta minus cos theta. Now I have a positive sign here, then cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta divided by sine theta cos theta minus sine theta. We have, what I'm going to do, I will just write sine square theta upon cos theta sine theta minus cos theta. Here I will take positive sign, and let me write this one more time just to make you understand. I'm taking a negative sign out. Now see what happens. Sine theta minus cos theta. See here what I did, I took negative out, and this negative multiplied by sine theta becomes minus sine theta. Negative negative is positive, then cos theta, right? But what will happen? This negative will go here, and then minus and plus gets multiplied, so this minus plus means minus. So we have a negative sign now, right? Now what this will help? This will help me in the LCM. So what LCM do I have? I have cos theta, then I have sine theta, and then I have the identical things. So whenever you have identical things in the denominator, we have to write just the one for the LCM. So we have sine theta minus cos theta. Clear, guys? So now cos theta gone, sine theta minus cos theta gone, so we have sine theta multiplied by sine square theta, that becomes sine cube theta. Then we have the negative sign, sine theta gone, sine theta minus cos theta gone, we have cos theta into cos square theta, that becomes cos cube theta. Clear, guys? Please make a note of this. I will just rub this side, and I will try to solve this here. So now we have to use one formula here, and which is pretty much clear. You can see it. We have a formula that has to be used, that is a cube minus b cube. So I'll write it here. We know that a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Is that the right one? A square plus b square plus ab. A minus b, that's right. So I'll just put the same formula there. So I have sine cube theta minus cos cube theta. What does that become? It becomes sine theta minus cos theta. Then we have a square. A is sine theta, so which is sine square theta, plus ab, that is sine theta into cos theta. And then we have b square. B square is cos, so that means cos square theta, whole divided by cos theta sine theta minus cos theta. Now If I see sine theta minus cos theta here and sine theta minus cos theta here also, that's gone. Now sine square theta plus cos square theta becomes 1 plus sine theta cos theta. Now this cos theta sine theta is with this and this as well. So let me take this here, cos theta sine theta, and here also cos theta sine theta, because this denominator belongs to all of them. So I can write here and here as well. What will that do? This will go. So now we have 1 upon cos theta into 1 upon sine theta plus 1, because this is gone. So 1 upon cos theta is sec theta. 1 upon sine theta is cosec theta plus 1. So that's what we wanted. 1 plus sine theta cosec theta, or sine theta sec theta cosec theta plus 1. It's one and the same. So LHS is equal to RHS. Clear, guys? Please make a note of this question. It's a very, very important question. Let me move to next part, the part number 4. These questions, only the formulas can make sure that you can do these questions, because if you know the formulas, these questions are very easy. You just need to apply method. That's about it. So now I will move to question number 4. So part 4, it says 1 plus sec A divided by sec A plus, okay, we don't have a plus here, it's equal to sine square A divided by 1 minus cos A. Alright, guys, so let's take LHS here as well. So this is 1, then plus sec is 1 upon cos A, and then 1 upon cos A. What happens here? I'll take the LCM cos A. Cos A into 1 is cos A plus 1 divided by 1 upon cos A. Let's do one more thing. I'll write 1 first and then cos A upon cos A, multiply, reciprocating, this becomes cos A upon 1. So we have just what is left. We have 1 plus cos A. But this is not what I wanted. I wanted this thing. So let me do the rationalization. It is 1 minus cos A upon 1 minus cos A using rationalization. Okay. So now this is A plus B multiplied by A minus B. So I'll write A square minus B square upon 1 minus cos A. So 1 minus cos A, I need this, so I will leave it as it is. So 1 square is 1 minus cos A square is cos square A upon 1 minus cos A. I know it, and even you guys know 1 minus cos square A is sine square A. So I'll write here sine square A upon 1 minus cos A, that is LHS is equal to RHS. Clear, guys? Very simple question. So this finishes part number 4. Now let's move to part number 5. Okay, guys. So let's see the 5th part. We are almost halfway mark. So we have cos A minus sine A. Very, very important question, guys. Cos A minus sine A plus 1 whole divided by cos A plus sine A minus 1 is equal to cosec A plus cot A. Cosec A plus cot A. Clear, guys? Here in this particular question, and the only question by the way, we are going to do a different method. So what that method is, let me show you what I'm going to do. I'm taking LHS first of all. what I'm doing, I'm dividing numerator and denominator by sine A. So what that will do, you will see in a bit. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to divide denominator and numerator as well. Sine A plus 1 whole divided by sine A. Then cos A plus sine A minus 1 whole divided by sine A. Okay guys, now cos A upon sine A, because this sine A is with all of them, minus sine A upon sine A plus 1 upon sine A. Then I have again cos A upon sine A plus sine A upon sine A minus 1 upon sine A. Okay guys, this thing I can cancel, I have 1 here. This thing also I can cancel, I have 1 here. Now what do we do? Cos A upon sine A is cot A. Then I have minus 1, and then I have 1 upon sine A is cosec A. Similarly, I have cos A upon sine A, that is cot A, then plus 1, then minus cosec A. Clear guys? I'm going to just change a bit here. I will take 1 that side. So I'll write here as cot A plus cosec A minus 1 divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. No change. I've just changed the place of minus 1. Why? Because I'll tell you right now. We know that. You know it, we have 3 identities, and one of the identity is cosec square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. So this is the identity that I'm going to use here. So let's see what happens. Please make a note of this. You can pause the video and make a note of it. Let me do it here now. So now I'm writing the same thing here. What do I have? I have cosec A plus cot A, cosec A plus cot A minus. Instead of 1, I will write cosec square A minus cot square A. Okay? Okay, so what do I have in the denominator? It is cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Now this is cosec A plus cot A minus, if you see, this is A square minus B square, so that is A plus B, cosec A plus cot A, and then A minus B, cosec A minus cot A, whole divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Now if you see, I have cosec A plus cot A here, cosec A plus cot A here as well. I'll take that common. So it is cosec A plus cot A. I'll take it out. Now what do I have? Instead of this, I have 1 minus. This is anyways out, so I have cosec A. If you see minus minus, that becomes plus cot A. And then I have cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Did you notice something? This and this is identical. 1 positive, yes, do I have that. Minus cosec A, I have that as well. Plus cot A, I have that as well. So take that off. Now what do I have left here? It is cosec A plus cot A. That's what our right hand side was. So LHS is equal to RHS. Just a different pattern, but it's not that much difficult. Just make sure you take the signs correctly and the formula correctly, especially this one. You will be able to do this question as well. Again, this is very, very important question, guys. Do make a note of it and practice this question thoroughly, because this question is one of the favorites of your exam. So please make sure that you do this question very well. So we are halfway done, guys. We have few more questions and they are not big ones. So let's move to part number 6. So part number 6 says under root 1 plus sine A whole divided by 1 minus sine A is equal to sec A plus tan A. Okay, guys, we have a square root here. So what best we can do, again I'm taking LHS, I will do the method of rationalization. I'll say using rationalization under root 1 plus sine A upon 1 minus sine A multiplied by 1 plus sine A upon 1 plus sine A. So what will that do to me? This is 1 plus sine A, 1 plus sine A. It becomes 1 plus sine A whole square. And there in the denominator I have A minus B, A plus B. That is 1 minus sine square A. Cool, guys? Now, let me take this root to numerator first, sine A, and then give it to denominator as well. I know 1 minus sine square A is cos square A. Right, guys? Square and root gone, square and root gone. Now what do I have? I have 1 plus sine A upon cos A. 1 upon cos A plus sine A upon cos A. Now if I see here, 1 upon cos A is sec A. Sine A upon cos A is tan A. That's what we wanted. So LHS is equal to RHS. Isn't it pretty simple? Very, very simple question. Do the rationalization and you are on the right path. Right? So this finishes our question, part number 6. Let us go to part number 7 now. 3 more to go, guys. So part number 7. What does it say? It says sine theta minus twice sine cube theta. Sine theta minus twice sine cube theta whole divided by twice cos cube theta minus cos theta is equal to just tan theta. Okay, again LHS. If I see here, I can take sine theta common. So let's take sine theta. Inside, what do I have? I have 1 minus twice sine square theta. Here I can take cos theta common. We have twice cos square theta minus 1. Right, guys? Now what next? If I see here, I need tan theta. Tan theta is equal to sine theta upon cos theta. So this is what should be left. This thing has to go. So now what I'm going to do, I'll write sine theta 1 minus twice sine square theta divided by cos theta twice cos square theta minus. I know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So that's what I'm going to write here. Sine square theta plus cos square theta. Now what happens? Let us keep the numerator as it is. 1 minus twice sine square theta. Here cos theta twice cos square theta minus sin square theta minus cos square theta, because this minus is with this and with this as well. Now I have sin theta 1 minus twice sin square theta whole divided by cos theta twice cos square theta minus cos square theta will be cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, so this is what we can do here. Now let's change the numerator as well. So now I have sin theta, instead of 1 I will write sin square theta minus cos square theta, I mean plus cos square theta, and then we have minus twice sin square theta whole divided by cos theta cos square theta minus sin square theta, sin theta cos square theta minus sin square theta minus twice sin square theta remains sin square theta here, and then whole divided by cos theta, I have cos square theta minus sin square theta. If I can see here, obviously that cos square theta minus sin square theta here and here they are same, so let's take them off. So I have sin theta upon cos theta, which is equal to tan theta. LHS is equal to RHS. Clear, guys? Very simple question. Please make a note of this as well, and I will move to part number 8. We have 2 more left. So part number 8 now, it says sin A plus cosec A, sin A plus cosec A whole square. Then I have cos A plus sec A whole square, cos A plus sec A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A, tan square A plus cot square A. Okay, guys, so here this is A plus B whole square. So let me write this as A square plus B square plus 2A B. Okay, here also I have the same formula to be used, that is A plus B whole square, that is A square plus B square plus 2A B. Clear, guys? So if I see this sin square theta plus cos square theta, so we have 1 here. Now I have plus cosec square A plus twice sin A. Cosec A is 1 upon sin A, plus this cos square A is gone. Now I have sec square A plus twice cos A, and sec A is 1 upon cos A. This cos A gone, this sin A gone. What do I have? I have 1. So let me write this 1 plus cosec square A plus 2 plus sec square A plus 2. Now 1 plus 2 plus 2 becomes 5 plus cosec square A plus sec square A. Now what to do? We have 3 identities. One of them is sin square A plus cos square A. We are done with that. We have 2 more identities. That's what I'm going to use here. So if you remember cosec square A is 1 plus cot square A. and sec square A is 1 plus tan square A. Now 5 plus 1 is 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A, or 7 plus, you can write tan A square A first, tan square A plus cot square A. LHS is equal to RHS. This question looks big, but it is not that big enough. Why? Because we have to use just the three identities. Once you use these three identities, the question is very, very simple. So this is your part number 8. Make sure that you make a note of this as well. Pause the video and you can make a note of it. Let me move to part number 9. That is the second last part of this particular exercise, the final, the last exercise. So ninth one, what does it say? Let me just open the page. Okay, so now the ninth question here. It says cosec A minus sine A, cosec A minus sine A, then sec A minus cos A, sec A minus cos A is equal to 1 upon tan A plus cot A, tan A plus cot A. What to do? Let us change, taking LHS anyways, as I used it everywhere. So LHS, cosec A is 1 upon sine A minus sine A, then sec A is 1 upon cos A minus cos A. Take the LCM, we have sine A, we have denominator and LCM same, so 1 minus sine A is sine square A. Then take the LCM cos A, cos A same, so 1 minus cos A into cos A, cos square A. Now 1 minus sine square A is cos square A upon sine A, into 1 minus cos square A is sine square A upon cos A. Now we have cos A here and we have two cos A's here. So let's take this and similarly this as well. So what do I have? I have cos A sine A. So this is what my left hand side is. Now I'm not able to get the right hand side, so let's solve right hand side also. So 1 upon tan is sine A upon cos A, and cot is cos A upon sine A. 1 upon, let's take the LCM, that is sine A, cos A, cos A gone, sine A into sine A is sine square A, sine A gone, cos A into cos A is cos square A. So it is 1 upon sine square A plus cos square A is 1 upon sine A cos A. So it is 1 multiplied, let us reciprocate it, is a sine A cos A upon 1. So if you multiply it with 1, it will not make any difference, sine A cos A. So what was our left hand side? Sine A cos A, right hand side sine A cos A. LHS is equal to RHS. Clear guys? Sometimes we need to solve right hand side as well if we are not able to get the right answer or the answer what we require. So we need to solve right hand side also. You can do it with all the questions, by the way. So this is the question number 9, and now we have part 10 of this exercise, and part 10 is most important question. It is one of the questions that comes in your exam very regular basis, on the regular basis. So just make sure that you practice this part as well. So now what do I have? I have 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A is equal to 1 minus tan A whole divided by 1 minus cot A whole square. Okay guys, let's take this one. So this is 1 plus tan square means sine square A upon cos square A, whole divided by 1 plus cos square A upon sine square A. Obviously cos square A is cos upon sine. So now take the LCM. So we have cos square A. So cos square into 1 is cos square A plus this and this same. So sine square A, whole divided by, take the LCM again, sine square A multiplied by 1 is sine square A, then this and the same, so cos square A. Sine square A plus cos square A is 1 upon cos square A. Multiply, I'm just reciprocating it, so this sine square A comes up. Sine square A plus cos square A is 1. So it is sine square A upon cos square A, that is tan square A. But I don't have that here. So let's solve this as well. And one more thing, you may see this question as this question like this on your book. So we have this tan square A, so that's about it. Let's solve this and see if we can get tan square A here as well. So 1 minus sine A upon cos A, because tan A is equal to 1 upon sine A upon cos A. Now 1 upon cot is cos A upon sine A. We have a whole square here. Now again LCM, cos A multiplied by 1 is cos A minus sine A, whole divided by, we have sine A as LCM. So sine A multiplied by 1 is sine A minus cos A. But we have a whole square here. Now reciprocating, cos A minus sine A upon cos A multiplied by sine A goes up upon sine A minus cos A, and we have a whole square. Here also we have a situation here. We have cos A minus sine A, and here it is sine A minus cos A. So let me take negative sign common here. So let's see what happens. I'm taking negative sign, and this becomes sine A minus cos A, right? Minus into sine A is minus sine A, minus minus plus cos A, upon cos A into sine A upon sine A minus cos A, whole square. Now I can cancel this and this because they are just the same. Now what do I have? I have minus sine A upon cos A whole square. So now minus multiplied with minus, it's negative multiplied with negative is positive. So sine A square becomes sine square A upon cos square A, which is tan square A. That means we have both the things equal to tan square. This is also tan square A, and this is also tan square A. So guys, this was the last part of this particular exercise. Hope you liked all the questions, hope you understood all the questions. If you have any doubt, guys, please do ask me. You can comment and let me know if there is any doubt. And this is all about it. You can definitely share this video with your friends. You can definitely share this video with your needy friends who are in class 10th, and make sure you watch this video completely, and subscribe to Posh Coaching Classes as well. We will be coming up with the next chapter pretty soon. So till then, you have a wonderful time. Take care of yourself, take care of your family, and study hard. Thank you so much. You have a wonderful time. Take care.